Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐴𝐲 with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your contents on TikTok using Metricool. Well, to schedule your TikTok contents, go to your Metricool account and here you can see I've already connected my TikTok account with it. And if you haven't so far, watch my tutorial named Connect Your TikTok Account with Metricool and connect your account. And I will provide its link in the description for your convenience. Well, to create a short video for this tutorial, I have taken a stock video from 𝐓𝐴𝐲𝐬, royalty-free music from YouTube audio library, and edited it using Canva. Anyhow, to schedule your contents, go to Planning tab. And to create your post, either you can click on Create Post, or you can click on anywhere in this area. It will open the same window. Now you can create your post to schedule it. And here you can see I've connected 3 accounts so far, and one of them is TikTok, which is grayed out. And to schedule your contents on TikTok, you have to make it active by clicking on it. And I'm deactivating other platforms since I'm scheduling for TikTok only. Well, here on this side, you will see the preview of your post, whether how it will look like on small or big screens. Moreover, you can write some notes here about the post if you want. And here on the main section, you have 2000 character limit for TikTok. Also, there are some presets you need to fill. Now click here to select and add what you want to post. And then add some description. Here you can turn on link shortener if you want. And then select who can see your post. And you sure can turn off or on these options if you want. And since my TikTok video was not intended for commercial use, I'm not turning this option on. But you sure can if your videos are. And then select other options accordingly. Then change the time and date when you want it to go live. And click on Schedule. Now your post has just been scheduled for TikTok, and when you hover your cursor on it, you will see that the status of this post is pending. And if you want to change the time, either you can drag and drop it to a new time slot, or you can double click on it to change the time. Now just refresh the page, and here you can see that the post has just been published. And when you hover your cursor on it, you will see that the status of this post has been changed to published. And when you go to the Summary tab, you will see the stats of all the platforms you have connected so far. And when you click on TikTok platform on the sidebar, you will see the stats for TikTok only. And remember, with the free Metricool account, you will be able to see the stats for 3 months only without watermark. And this is how you can schedule your contents on TikTok using Metricool. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.